Yo, babes.
Hey, babe.
No, everything is sorted. Everything's sorted. So that they're just waiting for us now.
Okay.
And I promise you, it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit. I will be champ, I promise.
Oh, baby, can I ask you something?
Yeah, babe, you can ask.
You're not circumcised, right?
Where is this coming from now?
No, I'm just asking. Just asking.
Yeah, I'm not circumcised. Why?
No, just when are you gonna get circumcised?
What? Why are you asking these questions?
No, I'm just
You want
asking.
me to be circumcised?
Yeah, that would be great.
Why?
Because, babes, the diseases and it looks nice.
It looks nice. Are you coming here to look at it, or you are coming here to work with it?
No, babe, it's just.
And wait. How do you know that it looks nice? How do you know the difference?
Babe, it's just. I was just like.
Just what? Just what? Because when you told me that you are a virgin, how do you know the difference?
No, babe. Babe, on that note, you know.
On that note, what?
Baby, I'm not a virgin.
You are not a virgin.
Baby, no.
Wait. You are trying to tell me that you cheated on me before you met me? No.
No, baby, no.
Forget it.
Baby,
It's over.
no. I can explain.